How to set app time limit on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can set the app time limit on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually set the app time limit on your Android device, it's actually quite simple. Now you can do this in any Android smartphone. Just make sure you're using the latest Android version. Just go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a settings application on your Android. So you can see this is my official settings application. Once you open settings, you want to simply scroll, and inside every Android phone you will find an option known as digital well-being and parental controls. So you have to make sure to tap on that option known as digital well-being and parental controls, and after you do that, just select the app on which you would like to set a timer. So let's say you want to set a timer for YouTube, and let's say you watch YouTube so frequently you want to limit it to only 1 hour in a day. You can just tap the set timer option and then simply choose the application that you would like to set a timer for. So right here I'll just select YouTube in this case, and I'll tap on set timer. All I need to do is just go ahead and then basically select the hour or the seconds or the minute that I would like to use, tap on done. Once I've done that, YouTube's timer will get started, and now you'll see the little icon next to the YouTube name. Now if I use YouTube for more than 1 hour, I'll be given a warning and YouTube will not be able to run after 1 hour unless I disable that timer over here. This way you should be able to go and set a time limit on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.